Okay, so this is the video explanation for language translator. Now, the language translator basically involves translating Indian languages here, let's say Hindi to Marathi. Okay, so if I write something in Hindi, what will be its corresponding output in Marathi? So sometimes the languages such as Hindi and Marathi will have similar words. Sometimes they will have different words. Like if I say ganna, then that means oos, or something like this. So basically, uh, we have to design these translators. Uh, the typical route could be Hindi to English and then English to Marathi. So this is the phase one of the project where you will write a code that will use help of any translator, maybe Google Translator, IBM Translator, or Microsoft Translator, any tool. So that is phase one to this project, where you will create a translator from one language to other. For example, let's say Hindi to Marathi, or maybe Gujarati to Marathi, and so on. Uh, so once you complete this task successfully, we will use Google input tools to input the Hindi words directly, and then uh, we will generate its corresponding Marathi language. Now Hindi Marathi both use Devanagari Lipi, so there must not be any problem. But if you use Tamil, Telugu, and other languages, then this Devanagari Lipi also changes. So maybe Bangla Lipi will be different. Even Gujarati Lipi is different. Punjabi Lipi is different. So the output should be the Lipi, correct Lipi. Okay. So this is phase two of the translator, that is directly type in Hindi and directly get it into. So obviously the intermediate translation will still happen here, Hindi to English to Marathi and so on. But then Lipi and all has to be taken care of with use of Google input tools or any other software where the Lipi is supported. Now the third phase is quite difficult because now we are going into the speech. So basically speech in Hindi will be translated to speech in Marathi. So here we need natural language processing NLP to translate your Hindi speech into Hindi words. And once we have Hindi words, we have already developed algorithm to get the Marathi words. So this is where speech to text, and here text to speech will come. They are typically called TTS and speech to text conversion. So this is the complete flow for the language based translation. So this goes into the phase 3 of this project, and then phase 4 comes when you have your live camera capture. Live camera will open and there will be some word written in Hindi, and then you will apply your translator. This similar thing is already there with Google Translator, and it will directly show you Bangla word. I don't know how Bangla is written, but something like this. So live translator with images. This will involve the image processing part. These are the four phases for a Indian language translator. Obviously, the intermediate translation will damage the translation. So the last phase is direct translator. So here we will have to use a dictionary method where you create your own dictionary saying if this is the word in Hindi, this is the word in Marathi. So then one is to one mapping through the Excel can be done. And then now you can imagine there could be multiple tasks in this uh, entire project. Few of the tasks I will try to list here so that you can start working directly onto them. First is to get a code that will translate one language into another. Simple code. Maybe you can start with English to German, but it should be done through coding. So it could be a MATLAB file, or it could be a C file, or it could be a Python file, and so on. Then second task, once you achieve that, then you focus on only two languages, whichever is your mother tongue, and English to mother tongue and mother tongue back to English. So that code you have to write, and that will be really tough. Once you achieve that, so basically stage two is English to and fro to your mother tongue. Third phase is obviously direct translator needs a dictionary, so dictionary creation. So let's say you choose Hindi to Bangla. So you have to create a dictionary where Excel column 1 will have all the Hindi words, Excel column 2 will have all the Bangla words, and so on. So I would recommend go by the population. Highest population languages you should select, like Hindi, Punjabi, Marathi, maybe Gujarati, Bangla, and Tamil, Telugu, something like that. So this dictionary will go on building with each new language added. I think you can add more interns to complete this task with different language as their mother tongue. So one person who is by birth Bangla speaking or by birth Telugu and so on. So this is dictionary creation. Uh, Bigger the dictionary, better it is. And you can use ready-made dictionary PDFs and extract the words from it and create this dictionary in an automated manner. That will be really great. Then fourth task could be now text to speech, obviously speech to text. So these two codes you can initially start with what we call uh, English language, and once you have complete confidence over English language, you can try out for different. And last part for the image capture, you can build an app that can capture an image in real time and let's say convert it into a grayscale in real time. That much operation should be enough initially, but later on we will try to integrate entire thing and build a solid uh, translator. Um, so that's it from my side. I guess I have explained this project in detail. If you have any further doubt, you can contact us.